Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to cook two kinds of homemade Japanese ramen. These are such easy and quick recipes that even beginners can try. Anyone can make each ramen in just 10 minutes. Now let's get started. The first one is Japanese Wonton Ramen. Let's make ramen soup base. Add soy sauce, Japanese noodle soup base, oyster sauce, chicken soup stock, salt and pepper, sesame oil, grated garlic. Mix well. Chop green onion, add chopped green onion, grated ginger, sake, pepper, salt, and sesame oil. Mix well until it becomes sticky. Divide the meat mixture into 8 to 10 portions. Place the wonton wrappers with the corner facing upwards. Put a portion of the meat filling in the center. Moisten the bottom edges with your finger. Fold it in half, slightly off center. Then fold both ends inwards. Repeat the same thing for the rest of the wrappers. Once water has boiled, add wontons and boil them for 1.5 to 2 minutes. After boiling, wontons tend to stick together, so it's better to coat with a little oil or boil them separately from the noodles in a different pot at the same time. After boiling, take the wontons out with a ladle. Boil your noodles in the same water. When the noodles are cooked, drain them well. Pour hot water into the bowl, stir well, and then add the noodles. Place wontons on the top, followed by any toppings of your choice. Today I placed memma, spinach, green onions, and natto. Now your Japanese Wonton Ramen is ready. The second one is Japanese Miso Ramen. Chop green onion, place half tablespoon of sesame oil, half teaspoon of grated ginger, half teaspoon of grated garlic, 1.5 tablespoon of miso paste, half to 1 teaspoon of chili bean sauce, and add chopped green onion. Saute them over medium heat. I was supposed to put ground pork in here together as well. Finally, I realized that I had forgotten to add the ground pork, so I added and sauteed it together over medium heat until it was cooked through. Be careful not to burn it. Once pork is cooked and the ingredients look like this, add water, chicken soup stock, Japanese noodle soup base, sugar, and salt. Bring it to a boil and then simmer for 5 minutes over low heat. Once water has boiled, add and boil your noodles. Miso paste is in this soup, so make sure not to boil it too much, as it will lose its aroma. When the noodles are cooked, drain them well. Boil the bean sprouts and Chinese chives for 30 seconds. Drain them well too. Place the noodles and pour the soup into the bowl. Place the bean sprouts and Chinese chives and your favorite toppings on top. Bean sprouts, corn, and butter are toppings that absolutely complement miso ramen, so please add them.